Hello everyone, I am back with a new video. So today I am going to show you how to upload your projects or repository into GitHub. Many students and professionals have created their projects and repositories, so we can save our projects and repositories in GitHub. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser. Then go to github.com. You can sign up first or register first. If you have already signed in, then you will see a dashboard of your one. Okay, just like this. In your left hand side, you can see your repositories. This number game and ATP is my repositories, and in my right hand side you can see your profile option. You can also search your repositories from here. You can explore, and you can just click. Here is a notification icon, and you can just click your face, your picture, and you can see your profile, your repositories, your contributions to GitHub community from your profile. You can now let's get started with uploading. First click on plus sign and click on new repository. Then you have to give your repository name. Let's give it name test. Okay, and in the description section you can write your repository description, that is readme. Okay, I will write this is a GitHub demo. Okay, I have tried this, and you can make your repository public or private and only accessible to a specific person, and you can initialize this repository with a readme file. You can check on it, and in this add option click it, and it's the programming language which you have used. You can select. Here are many options available. I have written this repository in Python, so I will choose Python. Okay, then click on create repository, and you can also click on license option, but you can ignore it. Now our repository has been created. Here is the readme file also, and you can see a create a new file option. When you click on create a new file option, you can directly code it in the GitHub ID, GitHub text editor. Okay, I have choose Python, so I can write print in hello world, but for now I will just ignore it and cancel it. So you can write your repository name there and save it, but now I will cancel it and I will click on upload files. So here in upload file you can now click on choose your file option and select your repository. Okay, I will browse my repository. Now I will select all these files and click on open. Now you can see that here is only uploading 5 files, but in my repository here are about 9 files, so the folders are not uploaded here. So I'm going to show you how to solve this error. It's very easy. I will just cancel this. Just scroll down and click on cancel. Okay, now again click on upload files. Now again go to the folder from your file explorer, select all, then drag it and paste it and drop it in this dialog box. Now you can see that there are 32 files. There are all folder files are copying here. Now it may take some moment. You can write any description for these files also. Okay, okay, it's been uploaded. Now you can click on commit changes. It may again take few moment because we have uploaded folder and files, so it may take few moment. Wait for some moment. Okay, come on. Okay, now you can see that now our folder has also been uploaded, and we can check inside it. Our files have been uploaded. Now we can click on this GitHub icon to go to again to dashboard. Now we can see that at left hand side our new repository has been added. You can, for deleting it, you can click it and go to settings and scroll down little bit, and you will see a danger zone here. See, from here you can make your public repository to private, and you can also archive this repository, and you can delete your repository from there. Okay, you can select delete repository, and you have to copy and paste, or you have to type your repository name with / before your user after your username. Now I have written it, and click on I understand these consequences, deleting this account, deleting this repository. Now finally you have deleted also. So this is the basic tutorial of GitHub, how to add and remove your repository. Hope you like it. Please support us, like and subscribe us. Thank you.